Welcome to the demonstration of the Lighthouse Business Management System's Reports tab. Lighthouse Business Management System is a cloud-based computing system that allows your POS system to upload all of your business's information to the online platform. Lighthouse BMS makes running your business simpler by placing all of your business needs in one easy and convenient location. Once you have logged into the Lighthouse BMS with your correct username and password, you will be brought to your business's main dashboard. Next, you will want to select the Reports tab. Here you will be able to see two separate drop-down boxes at the top of the page. The first drop-down box will allow you to choose which type of report you would like to be displayed. For this example, we have the Bar and Restaurant, Sky tab, and Processing Reports. The next drop-down box will allow you to choose which location you would like to view reports for. Once you have selected the location and type of report that you wish to generate, you can select the specific report. To start, we'll walk through the reports that could be generated when selecting Bar and Restaurant. Here you will see reports relating to sales, inventory, menu items, payroll, taxes, and performance. Reports with a red asterisk are unable to be run from multiple locations. If more than one location is selected, the report will only be generated for the first location chosen. Next, we'll go over the reporting options that the Sky tab dropdown will have available. Here you can view ratings by employee and rating details. Through Sky tab, your customers have the option at the end of their transaction to give a 1 through 5 star rating on the service or experience they have received during their visit. Ratings by employee will generate a report showing the ratings that each individual employee has received from their customers. The Rating Details report is similar to the Ratings by Employees by showing you the details of those ratings, such as a specific order number, table name, employee name, and the rating that your business has received. The last drop-down box that's available is the Processing Reports tab. Here you will be able to select from processing reports such as batch outs, transactions, deposits, chargebacks, and processing details. The processing reports will help you keep track of all your credit card transaction information. These reports will be updated at the end of every business day for any financial purposes your business may encounter. After you have selected which report you would like to generate, you will be able to select the specific time period. Examples include custom period, current business day, last business day, week to date, last week, month to date, last month, year to date, and last year. When finished selecting a time period, you can select Generate Report. For this example, we'll select Bar and Restaurant, Ticket Summary, and then Current Business Day. Once you have selected Generate Report, you will be able to scroll down on the screen to show the report on Ticket Summary for the current business day. You will have the option to download and print the report as well. Next to the Generate Report button, you will see a Subscribe button. This will allow you to subscribe to this specific report, meaning that you can set up scheduled times for the report to be automatically pulled for you. After selecting Subscribe, you will be able to select the product, which report, an email address for this report to be emailed to, and how frequently you would like the report to be generated. You can also choose from what day of the month, week, or a specific day. Next, you will select the time and locations that you want the report to be generated for. Lastly, you will have to select the export type and what will be displayed in the subject line of the email. Once you're finished, select Subscribe. You are now set up to receive emails of your most important reports that you will need to run your business.